May I please request everyone to settle down? Well, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, namaskar, suswagatam. My name is Mayuri Malankar, I'm the host of this event, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this glittish day. It's a momentous occasion and a significant milestone for the company. Once again, a very warm welcome to the listing ceremony of Meson Walls India Limited. Can we begin this morning, this auspicious occasion, with a huge round of applause, everybody? Come on. Thank you so much everybody for joining this morning, marking this occasion with your valuable presence. Before we move ahead, I'll request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
Janagana mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Janagana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Jai Hind. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion of the listing ceremony of Meson Walls Limited at BSE, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests with a flower bouquet. I will request our esteemed guests to join us on the dais one by one. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Chief Business Officer of BSE Limited, Mr. Sameer Patil. Can we have a round of applause for him? A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Moving ahead, may I now request Mr. Brijesh Manirikar, CMD of Meson Walls India Limited, to join us on stage. A warm welcome to you, sir. Moving ahead, may I request Mr. Kishore Makwan, Executive Director of Meson Walls India Limited, to join us on stage. Mr. Kunal Bora, Director of Meson Walls India Limited. Mr. Swaroop Natikar, Whole-Time Director of Meson Walls India Limited. Mrs. Vijaya Shahpurkar, CFO of Meson Walls India Limited. Mr. Vivekanand Redekar, Promoter and Director of IFMPL. Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups, BSE Limited. Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Shreni Shares Limited. A very, very warm welcome to all the dignitaries present on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence this auspicious occasion with the lighting of the lamp. I'll request all the dignitaries to please join us down for the lamp lighting ceremony.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु
तर अग्नीची जी ज्योत असते, दिव्याची जी ज्योत असते, अग्नि हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है। यह अग्नि का स्वभाव है। हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ जो कार्य है वो हमेशा ऊपर की ओर ही बढ़ता रहे। इस भावना से, इस प्रार्थना से हम हर शुभ काम की जो शुरुआत है वो दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं। इमिजिएटली वातावरण किती छान सुंदर झालेलं आहे। With this, we are moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen. This event marks not only the listing of Meson Walls India Limited, but also the embodiment of years of hard work, dedication, and relentless pursuit of excellence by the entire team. Meson Walls India Limited, a name synonymous with excellence, is not just a company, it is a legacy of unparalleled craftsmanship and unwavering commitment to the wall industry. With a worldwide presence, Meson Walls India Limited has firmly established itself as a premium and renowned brand in the design, manufacturing, and supply of various types of walls in both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. The footprint of this esteemed company spans across continents, a testament to the trust and confidence it has garnered from clients and partners worldwide. What sets Meson Walls India Limited apart is its exceptional team of experienced engineers who not only craft walls of exceptional quality, but also possesses the expertise to provide complete wall automated systems. Their dedication is not confined to the production floor. They go beyond offering invaluable assistance in the installation and commissioning of these critical components. In an ever-evolving market, Meson Walls India Limited remains at the forefront of innovation. The company's commitment to continuous development ensures that it not only meets but exceeds the demand of an ever-changing industry. This forward-thinking approach is at the cornerstone of its success and the reason it stands as a beacon in the wall manufacturing domain. Ladies and gentlemen, to kickstart this morning, this event, I will now request Mr. Sameer Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSE Limited, to address the gathering. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. नमस्कार आणि सर्वात आधी गणेश चतुर्थीच्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. A very good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here today for the listing ceremony of Meson Walls India Limited on the BSE SME platform. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Shri Brijesh Manerikar, CMD, Meson Walls India Limited, Shri Kishore Makwan, Executive Director, Meson Walls India Limited, Shri Kunal Bora, Director, Meson Walls Limited, Shri Vivekanand Redekar, Promoter and Ex-Director, IFMPL, Shrimati Vijaya Shahpurkar, CFO, Meson Walls India Limited, Shri Parth Shah, Director, Shreni Shares Limited, and my colleague Shri Ajay Thakur, Head, SME and BSE SME and Startups. Meson Walls India Limited is engaged in the business of assembling, buying, selling, distributing, importing, exporting, or otherwise dealing in products like valves, actuators, remote control systems, control cabinets, tanks, visualization systems, piping, pumps, fittings, gaskets, flanges, and measurement devices. So many things. It also deals in the installation, maintenance, servicing, or otherwise handling of equipment and services that control and manage all products like valves, actuators, remote control systems, control cabinets, tanks, visualization systems, fittings, etc. BSE Limited has emerged as a market leader in the SME sector, with the primary focus areas being innovation, technology, investor attention, quality service, and greater wealth generation. The BSE SME platform is preferred route for SMEs and investors in the nation. Today, we have a total of 453 companies which have been listed on the BSE SME platform with a market capitalization of 85,095.92 crore. The initial public offer of 30 lakh 48,000 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each of Meson Valves India Limited SME IPO for cash at price of rupees 102 per equity through fresh issue. Price rupees 102 and total issue size 31 crores. The issue was subscribed around 173.65 times. The retail category was oversubscribed by 203 times. And non-institutional category by 132.74 times. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity debt instruments, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds and stock lending and borrowing. BSE also offers a variety of additional services to capital market players, including such as risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services and education. In this very historic and iconic convention hall, BSE launched relaunched the BSE Sensex contracts on 15th of May 2023, and we are glad to say that in 15 weeks we clocked the highest turnover on our expiry of more than 100 lakh crores. On the auspicious day of Navratri, that's 16th of October 2023, BSE plans to relaunch its BankX contracts. Once again, I welcome Meson Valves India Limited to the BSE family and extend my best wishes to its entire team and its merchant bankers on this momentous occasion. I am positive that the firms will develop and generate excellent returns for their shareholders. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insightful words. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to invite Mr. Brijesh Manirikar, CMD of Meson Valves India Limited, to set the tone of this event. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन एंड गणेश चतुर्थी की शुभकामनाएं आप सभी के लिए. Dignitaries present on the dais, Shri Samir Patil ji, Chief Officer, Business Officer, BSE, Shri Ajay Thakur ji, Head of SME Section, Shri Parth Shah ji, Director of Shri Shares Limited, and our own Shri Swarup ji, Vivekanand ji, Kishore ji, Kunal ji and Vijaya ji. Good morning and welcome to all other people who are present on this unique occasion for Meson Valves India Limited. I thank the Lord first because He has presented us this great opportunity, and also the investors who have shown tremendous faith. Our IPO was oversubscribed by 200 times, 173 times. I really thank you. You have put excellent trust in us, and that also puts on us additional responsibility to deliver now. And vote of thanks is of course there at the end, but I would like to use this opportunity to thank BSE that you have given a really good platform for companies like us to grow, because working capital, getting funds for a growing company is all very difficult, and these kind of platforms help us to achieve our target much faster than what we can plan. And my family is present here. My parents are there all the way from Goa. I thank them because without their support, I will never see this time what I'm seeing now. My wife Rashmi is here. I thank her also. My children are there. They always supported me when I was traveling or working last 10-15 years in the business. Of course, my great friend and partners, Mr. Swarup Natekar ji and Vivekanand Redikar ji, without your association, we cannot reach this stage. And Mr. Kishore Makwan ji, because of whom our plant has been, we have taken the decision to shift the plant from Goa to Pune. He is overseeing all the operations today with great responsibility. I thank you also. Our Vijaya Shahapurkar ji, she is the CFO, and excellent effort you have put actually for all the documentation, everything what has been managed, unbelievable, I can tell you. And Mr. Parth Shah ji, you have been also a great mentor and supporter. It has been toiling hard work. I have seen that last 7, 8 months, what we have achieved. And going ahead, there is one person I cannot miss, the Atul sir, Atul Boraji. You and your family, Karanji and Kunalji, without you, we will never. You have put a lot of belief in us actually. Whenever we meet them, they are our mentors, real mentors. And I think we are very much lucky that we came across and actually met you. You have put us a lot of faith. We were not aware of our own potential, but you have made us aware. I thank you so much for that. There are few more people. Sri Abhishek Jhunjhunwala ji, he has been also very good mentor, a guide who has restructured our company and given us a lot of guidance on commercial, financial, and a lot of matters. You are here with your family. I thank you so much for that support you have given. Our CAs, Sri Abhishek Mehta ji, Sri Nitin Manier ji, if they are here, thank you so much. One more person, Mr. Praveen Kumar Gowda ji. He is there. Last so many years we know him. Thank you so much. Abhishek Rai ji, sitting at the back, thank you so much for your support. All the investors who have shown trust in us, I thank you once again. I think we are here today because of all of you. Meson AB, I'll just introduce in a very brief what was Meson AB. Meson AB is a company which started in Sweden 30 to 40 years ago, and they are a renowned brand in marine and naval segment worldwide for valves, and one of the leading company in Europe. We are associated with this company since 2007. We have been working with them for last 15 years, and the ethics and the business transparency which we have shown to them made us come together to form a joint venture in 2016, and we established Meson Valves India Private Limited. With the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we started this Make in India venture, and they transferred all the technology for high performance butterfly valves or some remote control valve systems, quick closing valve system, for which we are only player in India who make these quick closing valve systems. So they transfer the complete technology to us. That was the faith any European company can show. It is not easy to transfer 100% technology, but they have done that. That is the transparency and relationship we share with them. And they also presented us the opportunity to buy back the Indian operations in 2022, which we did. And we thought that this was a good opportunity for us to also grow, and because we had a vision to take our company to the next level. And then all this what we are seeing now after coming to BSE, we are, I think, on the right track today. The technology like high performance butterfly valves or quick closing valve systems and all these things which we transferred, we adapted them to the Indian naval requirements or the standards which are prescribed by the Indian Navy or Defense. And after that, we also had an agreement with Meson that the IPR rights for whatever we have developed, all the designs, belong to Meson India only, and that has been the case. So all the IPR rights belong to us. We have achieved in 5 years, I can tell you, from 2016 to 2023, around 5-6 years, what we have achieved is from a very humble beginning of 6 or 7 people, we have today tenfold, around 50-60 people in our company, in all the departments, very highly skilled. Earlier mentioned by that we are very highly skilled staff, young as well as experienced staff. We had a very modest turnover of around 2 to 3 crore. Today we have grown tenfold from that. We had a very small setup in Goa, which was around 1,000 square feet. Today we have around 35,000 square feet facility in Pune. Pune is an engineering hub of India, and we have a very good highly skilled vendor base which support us in our vision to grow. So it is a growth, it is Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. That is also the vision of our Prime Minister, and we also are trying to implement that with us as well as with all our partners. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you that the responsibility which you have given on us, we are looking for sustainable growth. And with a closing remark, I can tell you that we will never let all the investors down. Thank you so much.
We'll do the bell. We can do that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are just few moments away from that golden moment. So, we have taken a decision to first ring a bell and then proceed with the remaining program. I will request all the dignitaries to join us near the gong, near the bell. Meanwhile, we'll take the pictures. I will request if the family members are willing to come up on the stage. You're most welcome. So we will have a countdown before the bell ringing ceremony. You'll see the timer coming up on the screen for last 30 seconds, and we all will join for last 10 seconds. So I want you all to be loud for last 10 seconds while we are giving the countdown. So just 2 minutes to go. I will request everyone to remain seated during the bell ringing as the live video streaming is on. It's 9:58. We are slowly approaching the moment. I can see all the big smiles and all the smiling faces. Are you excited? Yes? I know you all have phones in your hand, but you can definitely have a louder voice while giving the countdown. Okay, so the countdown timer has started. Everyone excited? Yes? So you all will join the countdown for last 10 seconds. 45 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. Come on, gather all the energy you have. Last 30 seconds to go. Are you ready to join the countdown, everyone? Last 15 seconds to go. All right, everyone, together. 10, 9, 8, louder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. You can see the figures on the screen. Heartiest congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. With that, Meson is now officially listed on BSE. Congratulations to BSE as well. This is a big moment. It's a very big day for the entire Meson family. So everybody from Meson Walls is here, friends, family members, well-wishers, you all have been associated with the company in some or the other way. We would like to thank each and everybody present here for marking this occasion. Your involvement, your participation matters a lot to us. Bell जोरात वाजवली तरी चालेल. You can express your happiness through that. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's time to resume back. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I will request everyone on the dais to take a seat. We have to resume back to our program. Pictures we will take later, for sure. Can we please do the pictures later? All right, everyone. Once again, a huge round of applause for Meson Walls India Limited. It is now officially listed on BSE. I would like to congratulate BSE as well on this momentous occasion. And with this, we will move ahead, and I would like to invite on the stage the Executive Director of Meson Walls India Limited, Mr. Kishore Makwan, to address the gathering. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Suprabhat, Namaskar. First of all, the dignitaries on the stage, Mr. Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSE Limited, Mr. Ajay Thakurji, Head SME and Startups, BSE Limited, Mr. Parth Shah, Shreni Shares Limited, then Mr. Brijesh Manirikar, Mr. Swarup Natekarji and Mr. Vivekji, Mr. Kunal Boraji, then Vijayji, and our great mentor Atul sir, all of my teammates, my complete team, our independent directors and family members of all of our directors and the guests, and all of our investors who has given us this opportunity to stand here. So first of all, I would like to thank all of this. So considering the Meson Walls India, so it is basically we are mainly working in the defense, marine and shipbuilding industry. So we can proudly say that we are serving our nation, India, by helping and by providing our small support to them, by providing our critical walls, which we are master in manufacturing of all these critical non-ferrous walls. So if I'm considering the present customers are mostly the PSUs, Indian PSUs, who are engaged in the manufacturing of shipbuilding and marine and defense industries such as GRSE, MDL, MDSL, then CSL, HSL, GSL, and some of the private shipbuilders also like L&T Defense and so many more. So right now we are serving them by providing our highest technology non-ferrous butterfly walls, ball walls, all the walls which Mr. Brijesh ji has already given a complete look of our products. So this is what our current industry we are serving as a majority. Apart from that, we are also working with big oil and gas giant like Hindustan Petroleum, IOCL, BPCL, then MAPL, which is into the aviation fuel. So these are our some of the supply references other than marine and defense. So what we are looking for now, so current we are looking to develop, apart from marine and defense, we want to develop our all the walls and supply into the various sectors like oil and gas, marine we are already there, defense we are already there. Then apart from that, power generation. Presently also we are working with NTPC and BEL for one of the order of prestigious power plant projects. So this is what our present supply references, what we are already dealing with. Apart from that, what we are considering, as I already told, we are targeting the new sectors as well as, yes, defense and marine is our basic sector, a base. Apart from that, if I am considering in the domestic, so the figures what domestic market is there, that in 2080s, the market of wall industry was around 10,000 crore Indian rupees. Now this year in 2023, it is expected to be close on 14,500 crores. Apart from that, last 2 years, Indian wall industry has made a significant growth of 16.4%, which is a very high growth considering. So yes, Meson is having a very good chance to capture all these things. So apart from that, India is also importing some of the critical walls, which in India, some of the players or whatever the players are available, which are not able to make, that is a critical wall. So that market cap is around 1,300 crores. So that also is a very big potential we are having. So if considering this is what the domestic market, if I am considering as a Meson, we have a lot of opportunity in the exports, where in the export there are oil and gas, lot of projects are there. Again, water, wastewater, general industry. So water is the current field, but you people may not be aware that wastewater will be the future. So we are having the capability where we can develop all our products into the particular fields. So export opportunity, we are considering our target customers in the export in all the sectors, basically the marine and defense also, as well as oil and gas, power, all these sectors. So we are considering and concentrating in future role with around USA. Currently USA is contributing around 34% of the total world market. Apart from that, Europe and Russia, around 25% of market has been catered by Europe and Russian business. Then, if you are considering Africa and Middle East, they are contributing 10%, and if I consider as APAC, that is Asia Pacific, that is contributing around 31%. So, all these export opportunity, we want to grab all the further business by getting the future certification. At present, our company right from the beginning has been certified by ISO 9001-2015. Apart from that, health and safety, OSHA, that also we have already certified. In our future planning, we want to go for API, that is for the American Petroleum Institute, which will give us or open up the door in the global oil and gas sectors right now, which is almost in the booming part. Apart from that, yes, marine and shipbuilding. As we all are aware that our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and who has our present G2 summit, G20 summits, here they have already launched a corridor between the Middle East and European countries. So definitely that will give us a great opportunity in the shipbuilding sector, because all this cargo handling will be done via containers and ships. So that is a very good and great opportunity what we are having. Apart from that, now Make in India, yes, that is already shaping up now. So as our firm has been already started under Make in India initiative, we have already captured much of the Indian defense market. So considering this, all we have already approved for our new submarine projects, which will be 100% almost indigenization projects. So there also we have already approved. So these all are the complete export wall opportunities are also there. If you are considering the export wall, in 2018 it was around 2,300 crores, and which is expected to be closed in 2023 around 3,800 crores. So this is also a substantial growth we are expecting into this. Considering the global wall market share, so 2022, the total global, I am talking regarding the total figures of the global market value is 18 billion USD, 80. And it is expected to be closed around 110 billion USD in 2029. So this is a very good opportunity for us to prove ourselves to getting all this complete market, global market, as we are very positive with our strong team here, which is having a vast experience in all the sectors, all the departments. We are having a very good team members. It's a Meson family basically. So we all are working here as a Meson family, and that will give us a high bond to grow together. So apart from that, if I am considering the cumulative experience of all our team members, including promoters and directors, all this is more than 300 plus years. So that will give us a major base to grow. Apart from that, yes, we have shifted, as Brijesh ji has already told, we have shifted the facility to Pune. Pune is an industrial hub. We want to grab the opportunity of the Pune's complete high-tech technology and our all partners for that. So this is what the future business we are targeting for this. And thank you. Thanks for considering us and giving us a good listing for this. I hope we will definitely grow what we have discussed with the figures. We are very much confident, and we will definitely grow with a complete Meson team. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing the present and future business plans with all of us. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Ajay Thakur. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? He's the head of BSE SME.
Dignitaries on the dais, respected Sri Brijesh ji, CMD Meson Valves, directors of Meson Valves, Sri Kishore ji, Swaroop ji, Vijaya ji, Vivekanand ji, Kunal, Parth, director Srini Share and Stockbrokers, my friend Atul Bora ji sitting there, distinguished guests, very good morning to all of you. And welcome you all on 354th company's listing on BSE SME platform Meson Valves India Limited. Already Ganpati festival is going on across the country, very auspicious session. And this auspicious session we have seen grand listing of Meson Valves Limited. It clearly shows that how much investors have shown trust on you and how much mentors have mentored you so that you get your company listed. Obviously, I think that merchant banker Parth has worked very nicely on your company. Atul Bora, you have already taken the name. Kunal is there on your board. And of course, you have got a great team. So I'm quite sure with Make in India, a lot of thrust on defense sector, most of the things are in place. You are at the right time, at the right place. And the way the investors have shown the trust, so from 100 crore market capitalization on the day of listing itself, we have become 200 crore market cap company. Not only that, I was just saying, in terms of volume, today you are the top 10 contributor, among the top 10 contributor in terms of volume on BSE SME platform. So just see how this SME platform has emerged. I am seeing this SME platform since the day of inception when BSE has taken the lead and they started this SME platform. So 2012 we started, 2014 I have picked up Parsa, who is sitting here as the director of Senior and Share Stockbroker, as one of my employees. And from there, we keep on traveling across the country. I have met almost 42,000 promoters, and my team has met almost 10,000 promoters. And it is very difficult to get the SME promoters listed. But let me tell you, post-COVID, we have seen a big rush on this SME platform. A lot of companies are coming forward. A lot of investors are coming forward, not only in the IPO, but pre-IPO also the investors are rushing to the good companies, well-managed company and putting the funds in the company. I think the full ecosystem has got created over 10, 12 years. And now from here onwards, I am quite sure that we are going to create history. Already BSE SME market capitalization, if you see 454 companies listed and they have created a market capitalization of 86,000 crores. It's not a small number. I think in India we have vast number of small and medium enterprises, and I think we have miles to go. It is just a tip of the iceberg. We have started with one merchant banker. For 2 years we have got only 2-3 merchant bankers on our SME platform. Today we have almost 32, 33 merchant bankers who are working on this SME platform. So I'm quite sure if I see even 50 SMEs taken by each of the SME merchant bankers, we can easily see 1,500 companies getting listed in a single year. So I think this is all emerging. India as a country is emerging. SME is the backbone of Indian economy, and therefore SMEs are also emerging. And it's our duty, because we are one of the stakeholders. We are the one who has created the capital market ecosystem. It's always our endeavor to ensure that small companies should not remain small, medium companies should not remain always medium, and large companies also should not remain large. They keep on progressing. So a small company needs to transform into medium, medium to large, and large to blue chip company. And keeping that thing in our mind, we have today, this SME platform who has started flourishing. In fact, investors have also started, entering into the SME platform. There was a time when our issues were subscribed 1.2 times, 1.3 times. Today, the public issues, SME issues, even, they are getting more attraction than the main board companies. So 200 times subscription or 170 times subscriptions we have seen in Meson was, in many of the companies we are seeing even the subscription of 300 times to 400 times. So thank you for coming on our SME platform, believing in us, trusting us, and I am quite sure that in the times to come and the way you have presented and Kishorji has presented, I think this company is going to take a big leap forward and very soon we will see 1,000 crore market cap touching. And your profit also growing tremendously. We will always open the door for you people. We will always give you red carpet welcome. Only thing is that post-listing, a lot of responsibility is there. So keep all those responsibility in mind. Keep your company well compliant so that investors' faith keep on growing year after year. That is very important, and that is one of the advice that we give the SME promoters. And wish you all the best. I have been told that there are other 3-4 corporate, companies in your group also, which is being led by Vivekanandji. So I am quite sure that very soon all those 3 companies will also come and get listed on the SME platform. So with these words, once again, wish you all the best. Keep growing and keep us feel proud of you. With these words, thanks a lot to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your warm wishes. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on the dais the another most important person behind this listing, the Director of Shreni Shares Limited, Mr. Parth Shah. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
So, respected dignitaries on the dais. So, first of all, congratulations to the company. We have been listed with market cap of more than 200 crores. So, that's a big achievement. This has been the 27th listing ceremony for Shreni Shares, and glad to share that this is one of the biggest IPO from Goa, and we have received the record subscription of more than 5,000 crores. So, these numbers are great, and we have set up new milestones. So I think I remember back in days where Ajayji was doing a lot of road shows in Goa, and he has done a really great work. So I think now it's the time that all the entrepreneurs who will get benefited in this journey. SME listing has been has played a pivotal role in the journey of a lot of entrepreneurs, and some of them have came back and said that it's a dream come true, as we have heard from Vijayji. So Walt Disney once said that all dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So thanks a lot to a lot of people who have been associated and who have played a great role. Firstly, to the management of Meson, Brijeshji, Swarupji, Vijaya ma'am, and the entire team who has played I must say they have burned midnight oil to ensure that we are listed today. And must say that today we have set up a new milestone for ourselves also. So we have been listing all the companies at a premium, and today also we kept up the mark. So we'll keep on doing that. To the investor fraternity, starting with Atulji, Karanji, Kunal, Ashishji, thanks a lot for getting us what we are here. To the entire Shreni team, starting with Shamal and Divya, they have been single-handedly doing the entire transaction, and I was like, they have done really nice job, so thank you. My entire team, starting with Ankita, Dhaval, Vishal, Ashish, Shalendra, Prerna, Tushar, Yash, Isha, Nisha, Anjali, Pooja, Virali, Tanya, Purti, Hardik, and most importantly Hina, who has backed us up in all the work. BSE team, so I have been troubling them day in day out from the time we have replied, and they have really received our calls even at midnight. So Ajayji had called at 11, Samirji had called at 11:30 to ensure that I will get the approval. So thanks a lot. We have received the approval, and the entire team of BSE for backing us in the way, in the best possible in the best possible way. So thanks a lot, and I think the day is, we will set up new milestones again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Parth. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, as a gesture of congratulatory gesture, we would like to present a listing memento by BSE to Meson Walls India Limited, the promoter of Meson Walls India Limited. So can we have the listing memento on the stage, please? Mr. Swaroop Natekar, presenting a memento by BSE to Mr. Swaroop Natekar. Mr. Kishore Makwan. Mr. Vivekanand Redekar. Mr. Kunal Bora. Mr. Pacha. And Mr. Pacha. Mrs. Vijaya. Thank you very much, sir. Now we would like to present the mementos by the company to BSE and our partners. Beginning with Mr. Sameer Patil, I will request Brijesh sir to present a memento to the Chief Business Officer of BSE Limited, Mr. Sameer Patil. I will request Mr. Swaroop Natekar to present a memento to the Head of SME and Startups BSE Limited, Mr. Ajay Thakur. May I request Mr. Kishore Makwan to present the memento to Mr. Pacha. I will request Mr. Kunal Bora to present the memento to Ms. Shamal Palav. I'll request Mr. Brijesh Manerikar to present the memento to Mr. Abhishek Rai. May I request Mr. Vivekanand Redkar to present the memento to Mr. Praveen Kumar Gowda. I will request Mr. Kishore Makwan to present the memento to CA Abhishek Junjunwala. I will request Mr. Swaroop Natikar to present the memento to CA Abhishek Mehta. I will request Mr. Vivekananda Redkar to present the memento to CA Nitin Maniyar. Nitin Maniyar. अजून 1 2 आणि हे श्रीनीकडून तुम्हाला 3 मार्क. I will request Mr. Kunal Bora to present the memento to the banker to the issue Kotak Mahindra Bank. Do we have any representative? No? Legal? Park बोलना है. Anuj Thakur. Mr. M.V. Kinney, legal advisors to the issue. Anyone from the M.V. Kinney? I'll request them to join us on stage. Can we have a round of applause for them? And after all these mementos, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Parth Shah, Director of Srini Shares, would like to present a memento as a congratulatory gesture to the Meson Walls India Limited. I will request Mr. Kunal Bora to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I am sure everybody has to get back to work, so I will keep it short. I'd like to begin by thanking everyone involved in making this day possible, starting with Shri Samir Patil sir, Shri Ajay Thakur sir, and the entire BSE team, Parth Bhai and the team from Srini Shares, Abhishek ji and the team from Ekadrisht Capital, the entire Meson team, starting from Swaroop ji, Brijesh ji, Kishore ji, Vijaya ma'am, Vivek ji, and each and every staff member. And last but not the least, every single shareholder and investor who has participated in making this day possible. Exactly 1 year ago, when we first met with the Meson team, we all set out to achieve a collective dream, which was to make Meson an industry leader in the valves and actuators segment. Today, I can proudly say that we are one step closer to achieving that dream. The issue was subscribed roughly 172 times, leading to a total subscription amount of over 5,100 crores. I can confidently say that it might be one of the few companies which has received this kind of subscription on the SME platform. A special mention to the BSE team, to Ajay sir and to Sameer sir for building this extraordinary platform. Today in India, there are about 3 crore SMEs, which are expected to grow to about 6 crore SMEs by 2030. If India really has to become a 5 trillion economy, then a platform like BSE SME is going to be key in achieving that, that figure. So once again, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you, Sameer sir. Now the onus is on the entire team of Meson to repay the faith that has been shown by each and every shareholder. On that note, I'd once again like to thank everybody present here and everybody involved in making this day possible. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kunal Bora. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our listing ceremony. Thank you so much for being a part of our most important day. I would like to thank our dignitaries as well. Now the floor is open for photos. Refreshment arrangements have been done on my left and your right. Please enjoy the networking. With this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Thank you.